Hello everyone and welcome back in another video. So you have been wondering how can you send or make a text with a spoiler on Discord Mobile. You're in the right place because today in this video I'll show you exactly how can you do that in a very easy and clear method. All you need to do is to follow up with me till the very end, then let's jump right into it. Now, since we're gonna be using the Discord app, we need to go ahead and get something out of the way first. So open your Play Store or App Store, depends on what device you're on, search for Discord in there, find it, and make sure we have the app updated to the latest version for everything to work properly. So after updating your app, let's go ahead and see how this works. First, open Discord, wait for the app to fully load up, of course. And once it does, of course, you have to be logged into your account. Then choose the conversation that you want to send this spoiled or text with spoiler in. And once you make it there, go ahead and tap on the text box right here. So at the beginning of the text that you want to send the spoiler, we need to add 2 of this vertical line. So go ahead and find that in your keyboard and type 2 of that. And before typing your message, go ahead and add a space by tapping on the space button, and then from here go ahead and type in your text however you want. It doesn't matter how do you type it, and it doesn't matter how long it is. So after that, you can finally go ahead and add 2 of that same vertical line at the end of your message. And of course, don't forget the space between the lines and the text. Once you send your message now, it will appear in the conversation with a spoiler, and people will have to tap on it to reveal it. Now you don't have to always type the text. You can find any long text that you want to send with a spoiler. Go ahead and copy it. I'm gonna copy this text from my browser, and from here I'm gonna paste it right there. But at the end, I'm gonna add a space, 2 of that vertical line, and at the beginning, I'm gonna add 2 of that vertical line, and then I'm gonna add a space. And once I send it, that's how can you send a text with a spoiler on Discord. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and leave your comments and questions in the comment section. I'll try to answer every single one of them. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to share this video with your friends. See you in the next one.